Okay, so this is the will the block stay on the plane? Well, that's a pretty steep hill there. Okay, that hill there is 55 degrees, right? So I'm thinking it's not going to stay on the plane, but I'll show you a little trick about that too. Okay, so basically, if we look at the plane here, the force acting down the plane, trying to make it move, is our parallel force, which we figured out was 96.43 newtons. Okay. The force opposing it can get only as big as 57.39, okay? So at the moment that it breaks free, that force just goes, it's not enough. No es suficiente, right? So it will not hold that thing on the plane, right? So because 96.43, the parallel force, right? Since it's bigger than the max static friction, max stat fric of 57.39, will it start to slide? So you guys see what question are they asking? Yes, it will slide. No, it will not stay on the plane, right? Now let me just show you something here just for fun, okay? This helps you when you later become a physics teacher, right? The question is, will it stay on the plane? What you can do is you can look at this angle right here, okay, and the force parallel down the plane, okay? If the force parallel equals the force of friction static, that's going to be the angle that makes it stay on the plane, right? So what we do is we say mg sine theta equals mu mg cos theta, right? Where this is our static coefficient, right? Now the mg's go the way of the bison, right? So it doesn't matter what the mass of the block is, it depends only on the coefficient of friction. In fact, if we look for the static coefficient, right, I'll end up with sine theta over cos theta, okay? That's the tangent of theta. Now, just for fun, the tangent of 55 is that can't be right. Oh, it is right. Tangent of 55 is 1.428, right? Okay, that means that no coefficient, no ordinary coefficient will keep it on the table, right? So basically at 45 degrees, the tangent of 45 is, of course, 1, right? So only angles below 45 for conventional coefficients of frictions that are less than 1, right, or less than or equal to 1. Angles above 45 are just not going to work. Okay, you have to have glue to do that, right? Now, let's suppose that the angle was, say, 30 degrees, right? Well, the tangent of 30 is 0.577, right? Okay, so coefficients of friction bigger than the tangent of 30 is 0.577, right? So that means that coefficients bigger than 0.577, it can stay on the plane, and less than that, it can't stay on the plane. Okay, so there you have it. That's more than you wanted to know.